turning inward, closing doors, clearing space on crowded floors, dreams and wishes quietly. I find what really matters to me. Sorting memories, setting plans, learning what my heart demands, stepping back from all the noise, listening to my inner voice. Homeward mind, finding my way, letting go of what others say, clearing out the space inside, reaching for the dreams I hide, personal moments, peace and light, getting my own world just right. Homeward mind, where I begin, starting with myself again. Making lists and paying bills, tending to the little things, organizing, letting go, giving myself room to grow.